Ka te hae te iwi nā te whakarewatanga ke o te waiata hou a Jackson Owens he kai waiata ko tautapahia nei ki ngā tohu AMA. Ko tāna waiata hou mo te raumati ko If You Let Me Go. Mo te wā tuatahi ka tua Jackson hei kai waiata matua i tētahi konohete me te mōhio iho ko te whakarehutanga ia tēnei o tētahi tau tino angitu mōna. Aneira a Ashley Nathan.
Nau mai te raumati, kāre he kaupapa i tū atu i te whakarongo waiata i tēnei wāhanga o te tau.
I was actually in the shower and like singing this hook and I was like, damn, this is, sort of sounds like a festival type vibe. So I took it into the studio later on that day and we made that track that night and it come together pretty nicely.
Nā muri i te whakaputanga o Can We Make It Right?
Waiting at your door.
Nā tāna hau wai mo te raumati, ara, ko If You Let Me Go.
It's definitely got some soul R&B feel to it, so that's what I love, that's what I was brought up on.
No tū whare toa, nā ti awa, te aroa, nā i tahu hoki, hei tā Jackson kōrero, he mea whakahirahira tōna ke ahurea Māori.
It means everything to me being Māori. I'm so proud to be Māori. I just want to inspire, even if it's just one fella that's, you know, looking up to me. That's why I'm doing music, and being Māori is a huge part of that.
Nā o nā kaumātua a Jackson I whakaaweawe.
I was brought up in, you know, my koro and my nan speak fluent reo, and in that sense that's definitely on my bucket list. I want to go back and learn the reo, learn all the stories of our old ancestors, and even my koro and my nan, or like what they got to teach me.
Hei tā Jackson whakapono, nā ana waiata e tai ana te hono ki ana apataki.
Being vulnerable and like opening up, because you know that there's going to be heaps of people knowing your story and stuff, but I feel like as a muso that's sort of what we're meant to do, help people out through music and help people through their journey and what they're going through.
Hei tēnei paraire, ka tū tāna ake kono he te motuhake, he tuatahitanga tēnei.
I feel like it's been a long time coming. I started this journey, I'm sure my mum's put up a story yesterday, like 15 years ago or something. So, to actually be doing my own show is just surreal. It's buzzy, and I can't wait.
If you let me go.
Hei te ono karaka ki Galatos, tāma ki makaurau ti mata ai. Ashley Nathan, te karere.